In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a jump throw bind in CS2, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now you're going to begin by opening your developer console and typing in a variety of commands. The first command that you're going to be typing is alias, quotation, plus, jump action, quotation, space, quotation, plus jump, and then make sure you put in a semicolon and then close quotation. That's the first one you're going to be typing. Now, there's a variety of other ones you do need to type. This next one is this. This next one is this. And the final one looks like this. But the only change you're going to need to make is to change the key that you want to actually bind it to whatever key you want. So I'm just going to do a lowercase l. So just like that, if you actually do a lowercase l, it will jump and throw at the same time. So if I had a grenade in my hand, I would actually be able to jump and throw at the same time by clicking L. So if I were to do that, it would throw my gun. If I were to do that, it would throw that, and same with the explosive. But it works really perfectly with grenades if you have them and you want that bind. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.